And welcome back to another episode on our WordPress tutorial playlist. Today I'm going to explain how we can add another portfolio to our website. It's actually a project within the portfolio, and it's super important to understand the difference. A portfolio contains all of your projects, and within each project, you have an amount of pictures set in. Today, I'm going to be working on the Skylab template, although almost any template that has a portfolio option will have a similar method of putting in the content. So as long as you understand the general idea of what you're supposed to be doing, then it's all supposed to be good. Okay, so as we can see, I'm on lucyebook.com. This is a website that I built for one of my clients. She's an artist. And over here we have 5 different projects within the portfolio. We're going to work today on image number 1. This is going to be the image that we're going to work on. Want to explain exactly how we upload and how we're going to be making the small edits within each project. Okay, so if I'll click here on Edit Portfolio, I'll be able to get specifically into that project within the portfolio. Over here, I have 3 places where I have to put in the picture, and I have to select the category that I want the project to identify to. So first, we have on the top the title of the image. This one is called Image 1. Equally, we can also call it person looking at the camera. You just have to change it over here. Person looking at the camera. And then we're going to go into this big section, the big white one. We'll hit Add Media, and we'll be able to select whichever image we want, insert into post, and it'll put your new picture. Over here on the featured image side, we're also going to be putting the same picture. And if we scroll a little bit down to the bottom, we're going to have Portfolio Image Lightbox. And also over here, we're going to click the blue Add Media button and select the picture that we want. Great. So another thing that's important to note is the portfolio category. Each portfolio, each project has a category that's assigned to, so the users will be able to filter their way between, in this example, the abstract projects and the acrylic projects. You hit update and it's going to be live. I really want to show you how to do this from the beginning to start. This was just a very general scope of what's happening. Let's visit the website so we'll be able to see the changes. I'm going to hit portfolio. And we will be able to see that this picture is now called image 1 person looking at the camera. Great, so how do we do this from start? Okay, so I'm over here on the dashboard. I just logged in, lucybook.com/wp-login.php. I put in my username, I put in my password. I'm now entered the system. Now I'm going to look on the left side on the sidebar for portfolio or projects. It depends what template you're using. Like I said, I'm using Skylab in this project. I'm going to leave a link on the bottom in the description section, so you'll also be able to download and purchase the template. So on Skylab, you go portfolio and then add new. Now, this project, we're going to call it my new project. It's going to be called ducks. It's going to be in the acrylic section. And now I'm going to be adding in my images. So I'm going to upload file. I'm going to put a random image. Let's say I'm going to put this little cursor hand item thingy, insert into posts. Now it's inside. Now I'm also going to put the same picture on the set featured image. I click this blue button on the bottom, set featured image, and it's over there. Now, portfolio image lightbox, same thing. I click on this blue plus. I select the picture, send to option tree, and it's inside. So just check again quickly. I have the title. I have one image that I put it through add media inside the content section. I have a featured image. and I have a portfolio image lightbox. When I have all three of these and I assigned a category and a name, I can hit publish. We'll go to the portfolio section of the website and I'll refresh, and surely we'll be able to see our new project standing over here. My new project docs. And there we go. On this website, on this template, excuse me, you can actually add a couple of pictures within your project. So let's say that I want to have multiple pictures. I want to put this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to do update. And I'll go to my new project. I'll do refresh. And you see all three of these pictures are here. And that's it. That's how you upload a new portfolio to your photography or artist website. Like I said, this template is Skylab, and I'll leave a link in the description section below so you'll be able to purchase it for yourself. If you have any questions about how to add a new piece of media to your portfolio, please leave them in the comments section below. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you again for the next how-to WordPress tutorials on Rhino Marketing Blog. Peace.